She applied Vaseline on her breasts daily, and after 30 days the results are more than amazing. Vaseline is a brand of petroleum jelly-based products which includes skin creams, lotions, cleansers and deodorants. However, these products may also help in many other ways. You can use them for lip care, to soften the skin on your elbows and ankles and hydrate your cuticles. Some women claim that rubbing Vaseline on your breasts will increase their size. It may sound unbelievable, but many women swear in this method, and there's no harm in trying it. All you have to do is rub Vaseline on your breasts, then put a dab of toothpaste on the nipple. Repeat the process every night before going to bed and believe us that you'll be amazed by the results. Besides this, Vaseline can also help you in the following cases: makes your eyelashes grow. Apply a bit of Vaseline on your eyelashes overnight, and they will quickly start growing. Softens dry and cracked elbows. To hydrate your dry and cracked elbows, rub some Vaseline on the area every day until you notice results. Makes your lips luscious. The fall and winter can easily make your lips dry and unattractive, but applying some Vaseline on them can make them more kissable and luscious again. Mix it with some Kool-Aid powder, and you'll get a great colored lip gloss. Treats dry cuticles. Apply some Vaseline on dry cuticles to hydrate them and improve their appearance. Helps the perfume last longer. Put some Vaseline on your perfume points to intensify and prolong the scent. Lipstick smudges. Smear some Vaseline all over your teeth and say goodbye to lipstick smudges. Softens your skin. Rub some Vaseline on your face, neck and arms to soften your skin, and don't worry, the rumor that it clogs your pores is not true. Helps remove makeup. Apply some Vaseline on a Q-tip and use it to remove the makeup from last night out. Eyeshadow blush boost. Put some Vaseline under your eyeshadow to get a nice glossy effect. Or apply it on the apples on your cheeks for a dewy glow. To make an effective cream blusher, mix it with some lipstick. Relieves eyebrow plucking. Vaseline will help you pick your eyebrows easily by hydrating them and taming their form. Prevents hair dye from seeping on your forehead. Dab some Vaseline on your hairline to keep hair dye from dyeing your forehead. Makes your accessories brand new. If you're on an exciting date tonight, rub some Vaseline on your old shoes to make them look brand new and shiny. Removes makeup stains. Rub some Vaseline on makeup stains on your clothes to remove them easily and quickly. Treats split ends. Applying some Vaseline on your split hair ends is a great way of reducing their appearance when you're short on money. Prevent spray tan streaks. Rub some Vaseline on the back of your knees, hands and ankles to prevent the spray tan streaks. And excellent exfoliating body wash. Mix some Vaseline with sea salt, and you've got yourself a great exfoliant that will make your skin soft. Soothes your skin after shaving. Apply some Vaseline on your skin to soothe the razor burn and irritation. Lubricates your earlobes. Apply some Vaseline on your earlobes before putting on your earrings to make the process go smoothly. Helps you open nail polish. If your nail polish bottle is stuck, just put some Vaseline under the cap to open it easily.